The secret to building wealth in your 20s, 30s. Imagine living a life where you're not constantly worried about your finances. What if I told you that the choices you make in your 20s and 30s could set you up for financial freedom for the rest of your life? Stick around because today, I'm sharing the secrets to building wealth while you're still young. 1. Mindset shift. Think long-term. Understand the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. For example, investing $100 per month at an 8% annual return can grow to over $150,000 in 30 years. Focus on delayed gratification rather than instant rewards. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle drastically. Save and invest the difference instead. If you're serious about wealth, start thinking about what future you will thank you for. Building a strong financial foundation. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses with apps like YNAB or Mint. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings investments. Emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses to protect yourself from unexpected costs. Get rid of high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off credit cards and other high-interest loans. Use strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. Start small, but start now. A strong foundation is key to building wealth. 3. Invest wisely. Start investing. Early, use tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or Roth IRAs. Invest in index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds for diversified growth. Learn the basics of investing. Read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial advisors or mentors. Side hustles and passive income. Consider starting a side hustle or investing in assets like real estate, stocks, or even a small business to create additional income streams. The stock market is not just for the wealthy, it's for the smart. Make your money work for you. 4. Stay consistent and educate yourself. Consistency is key. Automate your savings and investments so you never miss a contribution. Stay educated. Follow financial blogs, listen to podcasts, and watch videos about personal finance to stay motivated and informed. Network with like-minded people. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire you to grow financially. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent and keep learning. Building wealth in your 20s and 30s is about making smart decisions early on. Start small, stay consistent, and don't let temporary sacrifices deter you from achieving financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.